Hello and welcome back to another LeetCode practice problem. This one is the set zeros problem. This one's really similar to the game of life one we just did, except it's actually a little simpler. It's just working with matrices again. And but this time we have to when we find a zero, we need to access all of the elements in its column and all of the elements in its row and set them to 0. So we're going to start the same way. We're going to make a copy of the matrix. And then for each row index, for I in range, and then the length of copy. So for each index of the rows, we're going to go through the entire columns. And then we'll have the index. This way we can access every single element and have its index ij, right? We traverse the entire matrix looking at every single element. And we get the number of elements in the row, the number of columns. We get the length of copy at I. We could just do that. Copy at 0. We don't need to. They're not varying in length. The indices. So then, if the cell is 0, so we're going to access that element at the index ij, and if it's equal to 0, we need to set all of the elements in the row to 0 and all of the elements in its column to 0. So that's row I and column j, right? So we need to do another loop. We'll go for k in range, length of copy it at 0. Oops. Length of copy at 0. What did I do here? So, and then we're going to go through all of those k's, and we're going to take matrix at our current row I, and then all of the k's k, and set them to 0. Then we're going to look at setting all the rows in the column that we're currently on. So we're going to go for L in range, length of copy It'll tell us how many rows we have. We're going to say matrix at L and our current column J. We're going to set that equal to 0. And that's it. Let's give it a shot. Yes. I figured out the problem. It is I accidentally put a semicolon at the end of the list. So give it a shot now. And there we are. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.